Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be updating the exhaust system on our 2016 Camaro. So we've teamed up with AWE as part of their Rumble Together initiative to bring a new sound to our Camaro using the non-resonated Touring Edition catback exhaust system. AWE has been doing a great job of making a name for themselves, having entered the Camaro world since September 2018 after producing high-quality, made-in-America drone-free exhaust systems since 1991. So a question we get a lot is, what will this precision-built AWE system sound like when paired with headers? So we teamed up with AWE to get a system and hook it to the BBK headers to start, and let's see what we get. Installation is going to require some off-the-menu steps since we are going to be joining two different systems together. But that's what we're here for. We have our trusty welder ready to get these pieces fused together for a clean-looking connection. Jumping into the installation, we are going to start by removing the 4 bolts holding the tunnel brace. This will allow the exhaust system to be removed once it is loose. Then we can remove the rear oxygen sensors, set them aside to prevent any damage. Then remove the catted connection pipes from the header connection. This process will be done on both sides of the exhaust system. Now we can remove the 4 rubber hangers holding the factory system in place. The exhaust will drop slightly with each hanger that is removed. The last hangers that will need to be loosened are near the factory tips. Remove the 2 nuts on each side to loosen the bracket. The bracket will be removed when we remove the exhaust system. With the help of a friend, remove the exhaust system as one piece. Going back together, we are going to assemble the system in reverse order, starting with the rear mufflers. Install them in place, reusing the factory hangers to hold them in place. Then we can install the X-pipe and mount it to the rubber hangers. Install the catted connection pipes and snug them in place to prevent a lot of movement. Doing this will allow us to properly measure the connection pipes so we know where we need to make the cuts necessary to fit together. Then loosely install the AWE pipes to the X-pipe and place them near the connection pipes. This will allow us to measure and mark the location we need to cut and weld the pipes together. Next, cut the pipes at the marked location and prep to weld them to the catted connection pipes. With the pipes cut, we can put them back in place and tack them to the connection pipes. Put a few tacks around the connection to prevent any warping. This will be done on both sides. Once the pipes are tacked in place, remove them to completely weld the pipes together. With the pipes welded together, reinstall the pipes to the rest of the AWE system and tighten them in place. Reinstall the O2 sensors and tighten them down. Align the rest of the system and tighten down the clamps to set the AWE system in its final location. Finally, set the tips to your liking to complete the installation. There you have it, guys. With a little bit of work, we've adapted the AWE non-resonated Touring Edition catback exhaust system to our BBK headers. Getting these two systems to work together is just one that takes some cutting and welding to have the perfect fit. Now we can enjoy having one of the best sounding exhaust systems on the planet paired with some awesome headers. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos. Oh hey, a blow pop.